Saturday night right now. Yes, we're gonna go on a little drive right now. Ooh, it's kinda dark. We need more light. Oh my goodness. We got ourselves a Desert Fire from Mercury Coffee. I know I'm not supposed to have Red Bull right now because it's nighttime, but I have an excuse. Going on a 2-hour drive at 2 in the morning, maybe. We're gonna go on a little walk at Bellevue Square. So that's gonna be kind of fun. It's nighttime, but it's fine. We'll be safe, I think. It got dark really quick, but maybe I should go. So dark you could barely see. It's so pretty here though. So pretty. It's like a whole circle. It's so fun. We're heading back home. Got my shoes, got my bag, all my stuff in there. And now let's go on a little road trip. Join with our boy Dima. Say hello, Dima.
I got scammed today.
You got scammed today? Apparently he was supposed to go to jail, but broke him out. Oh, that's the road. Oh my goodness. There's turbulence on the ground. We are parked right now. Gotta wake up, Dima. Oh, dude.
I had a dream that we already did it, so technically we already did it.
Wise words from you, Dima. It's your boy Andre DeMarcus III. Got our stuff right here, ready to go up. Are you ready, Dima?
No.
We just started the hike. Hopefully everything goes good. Oh, I'm getting blinded right now. But yeah, I guess we'll see you guys at the top because it's really dark. It's pretty obvious, right, Dima? There's a fork in the road. Which one do we take? Good thing I got it downloaded and I came prepared. Yes, going straight. I don't know why. It's actually pretty obvious. There.
Oh, what's up, kid?
What's up, Jerry? You looking for Tom? Yeah, he's not here.
Looks like he has rabies.
Clinging to a mountain top, praying you won't let me drop. 'Cause I don't know if I can swim when you're holding me limb by limb. Don't leave, don't go. I'm scared of getting older. Don't leave, don't go. I see your eyes getting colder. And I've been trying to put us through. What do I do? What should I do? Don't intertwine with the loop. It ends with our news. Please follow the clues. Don't leave, don't go. I'm scared of getting older. Don't leave, don't go. I see your eyes getting colder. Your voice scatters round my brain. Not sure it's something I'll erase. I'll pick up all the pieces for you. Don't leave, don't go. I'm scared of getting older. Don't leave, don't go.
Yep.
I see your eyes getting cold.
We made it. How was that? I'm over it.
Never again.
Dima's sleeping.
Очень stressed. Я хотел go bed, Я хотел call my mommy.
We're in an old town. Just pulled over to grab some food, man. I'm a hecka hungry. I'm gonna get my energy drink because I'm about to fall asleep while driving. I'm not even joking. I was like this, and I'm like, because I was so tired. Let's get this party started. Gotta go to work.
Breathe air.
But yeah. Celsius, please sponsor me. Got off work, going to the gym, hit some back and biceps, and then we're gonna go Bible study. You guys already know where I'm at. Doing some lat pull downs. Warming up right now. It's my boy On. Say hello, On.
Hey, what's that on? Going TikTok or what?
I'm going on YouTube.
Oh, hell yeah.
You're gonna talk to my 30
Right.
subscribers.
What's your channel, fool?
Oh, my name is Andre Super Cool Gym
Let's
Bro.
go. Quit fucking around. Oh, shit. You need me to record you? I got you.
This is warming up, bro. It burns
Get
so
that
much.
angle right there. Get that armpit angle. Get that lat angle.
On, show us how it's done, bro.
Oh, my hand is
Slippery, right?
too new.
の中にある赤と青き線それらが結ばれるのは心の像
Okay, guys, I got done with my workout. Now we're gonna go coffee shop, read the Bible. It's becoming a daily habit, which is really nice. We're editing out here. It's a new day. We're gonna get a haircut. What kind of haircut should I go for?
No taper face.
We're in a cute little coffee shop. Look at that. Check this baby out. Super cute. We gotta get out of here before we get towed. Because you're not supposed to park here. Sorry. Shall we? I didn't mean to, shall we? Check out this cut. Yep, there is a bridge going up. What the Sigma? It's, dude. Ooh, some Christmas music.
All seem to say throw kids away.
We're going to the bridge right now. What the Sigma? How am I supposed to cross that? Do we just drive straight up it? The physics are not physicking right now. Christmas music. Got some coffee too. Check this out. The bridge is coming down. We got some Christmas spirit up in this bad boy, and it's not even Halloween yet. Heck yeah. Guys, I just woke up. I'm at the gym right now. I'm so tired. I'm just on pre-workout. My body is so itchy. It's not getting me energized at all. I need help. Oh my goodness, I want to take another scoop. I'm so tired. No, let's do it. At least take half a scoop. Let me wake up. No, but I'm getting coffee afterwards. That makes no sense. I got my headphones this time. I forgot them yesterday.
Oh, copper bells, sweet silver bells,
Do 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 do.
all seem to say throw cares away. Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, meek and the bold. Ding dong, that is the song. With joyful ring, all caroling, one seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Oh, how they bound, raising the sound, oh, in the dance and in the town. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria, gloria. All seem to say, Christmas is here, bringing to young and old, meek and the bold. Ding dong, that is the song. With joyful ring, all caroling, one seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Oh, how they bound, raising the sound, all in a dance and in a town. Hey, while people sing songs of good cheer, Christmas is here. Hey, while people sing songs of good cheer, Christmas is here. All seem to say,
We just got done with the workout. So I'm gonna go to the coffee shop, read some Bible. Where did I park my car, dude? Oh, it's right here.